Assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be going from this and this to this mouth-watering and delightful curry corn and chicken with cornmeal dumplings cooked in coconut milk. So let's get started. I've listed all the ingredients for you guys on the screen to make it easier, but do head across to my website to get the full measurements for each ingredient. Main ingredients include the corn and the chicken, onions, garlic, pimentos, pepper, coconut milk, green seasoning, your curry, salt, black pepper, roasted jeera, and the anchor masala. To start off, you want to season your corn and your chicken by adding some curry powder, roasted jeera, anchor masala, the green seasoning, salt, and black pepper. You want to mix this up, get everything nicely coated, and you can either set it aside to marinate or you can cook it immediately. When you're ready to cook, you're going to add some oil to a pot. Once it's nice and hot, you're going to add your onions, your garlic, your pepper, and your pimento. Keep that heat on low, and you're basically going to cook this until those onions are nice and tender. Then you're going to add in your curry powder. And now we're going to toast this, one of the most important steps when cooking curry. So you're going to toast it for about 2 to 3 minutes, keeping that heat on low and ensuring that it is not burning. You're going to add some water to the pot. You're going to continue stirring, and when it forms a nice thick curry paste, you're going to add in your chicken and your corn pieces to the pot. Make sure stir this up, get it nicely coated with that curry powder. And at this point in time, we're going to increase the heat to high. The chicken is going to spring its natural juices. So you're going to leave it on the heat until that chicken springs its juices and then it evaporates. Once it has done this, we're going to add in the coconut milk and the water. Add enough water to cover all the contents in the pot, and we're going to let this cook through. Once it's halfway cooked through, we're going to start working on our cornmeal dumplings. We're going to start off by combining the flour, the cornmeal, the sugar, and the salt. You're going to add some water to that and knead it until it forms a nice smooth dough ball. You want to remember to keep checking that chicken and corn, and you need to add water if necessary while we are making the dumplings. So keep your eye on that curry pot as well. Once you have your dough ball formed, you're going to be rolling it out. Rolling it out for me usually makes it easier, but of course this is not necessary. You can actually just break pieces off and form any shape that you want your dumplings to be and then add them to the pot. I like rolling it out using my knife, cutting it into strips and then cutting it into smaller pieces. To me, it just makes it look a lot more uniformed. Then we're going to add it to the pot with the corn and the chicken. The dumplings will not take long to cook, and at this point your curry corn and your chicken should all be almost cooked through properly. So once the dumplings are in the pot, you're going to give it a quick stir. You're going to leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes or so until those dumplings are nicely cooked through. So once there's enough curry sauce to your liking and the dumplings are cooked, we're just going to be finishing off by sprinkling some roasted jeera, and I usually like to add some extra green seasoning at this step just to give it some extra flavor. You want to taste it as well and adjust the salt accordingly. Give this a quick stir, and believe it or not, that is your curried corn and chicken with cornmeal dumplings dish. Easy dish to put together, and it's a very filling meal. You've got your corn, you've got your chicken, and you've got those cornmeal dumplings as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much as always for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video.